Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making oatmeal fufu. Enjoy. Hello and welcome back. It's Mommy Ebubechukwu here. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today I want to show you how to use that oatmeal you have in your kitchen to make fufu. We all know that oatmeal is very nutritious because we know it has a lot of soluble fiber and it has antioxidant properties. So what's way to eat it than turning it into fufu? I'm going to blend it to powdered form, then I'm going to turn it to form the fufu. I actually use 2 cups of oatmeal for this particular oatmeal fufu making. So all you have to do is add a little quantity of water, about 2.5 cups of water, to your saucepan or pot, whatever you want to make it in. Then you pour in the grinded oatmeal and start turning. Don't forget that the quantity of water I added is because of the quantity of oatmeal that I'm making, like I'm turning into fufu. So the quantity of water you'll be using to make your own oatmeal fufu depends on the quantity of oatmeal you grinded that you want to turn into fufu. Okay, I'm bringing everything to the middle of the saucepan because I want the oatmeal to cook. I'm going to add about 1/2 cup of water to this oatmeal and I'm going to cover it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. So this is 3 minutes. Is properly cooked. The reason why I added the water and covered it to cook is because I want the oatmeal to cook properly. Because of this, it has become a bit firm. Okay, so the oatmeal fufu is ready. I'm going to allow it to cool off for about 5 minutes so that I can touch it with my bare hands. Okay, so this is the oatmeal. Now that it has cooled down a little, look at how firm and strong it is now. So I'm going to wrap the fufu now. If you want to know how to wrap this fufu extensively, I have a video where I showed how to make green plantain fufu. In that video, I showed extensively how to wrap your fufu and make it look neat and presentable. Maybe if you have visitors, or if you want to make it keep it warm. Okay, so I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description box. You can check it out. Okay, and fresh plantain fufu is actually very healthy as well. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and join the family. Subscribe to this channel, okay, to help me grow. Thank you. I appreciate. And don't forget to leave a comment for us in the comment section and tell me if you try this oatmeal fufu. So we have come to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much. So if you have any question for me pertaining this video, please leave it in the comment section. I'm going to answer it. If you make this kind of oatmeal fufu, don't forget to tag me. Okay, see you in my next video. Bye.